here we have our Puma 6mm variable angle notching machine, and I'm going to take you through a few features on this machine. So we'll start off with the foot pedal and the control box. So nice and simple to use. And there's your foot pedal, and you can see that it is on wheels, so you can wheel it around the machine. These handles here, and on the other side, they control the angle of the notching blade. So as you move them on the table there, that will move to the angle that you that side of the notching blade is. So you can change it if you want a I don't know, 20-degree angle, or you want 35-degree angle. You can change it with those handles there and there, and that will change your angle, and then you can see visually with those scales. You also have these stops, which can be set up in a number of different ways. And you have multiple machine dart slots on the machine. Just depending on what you're doing, you can set up your stops in all of those ways. So that just comes down to your application and how you want to set everything up. So fantastic for your jobs where you're doing a bit of repetition, you've got a few to do. You set up the stops, and you can always use it as a reference point. If you've got the Perspex cover across the front of the blade just for safety, and over there and over here, those are hold downs. So when you set up and you put your material through, see if you can get a better angle here. So when you actually set up your material and you put it through, that is going to come down, hold your material while you're cutting, so it can't move. So it's not going to cause any inaccuracies by the material moving. That'll stop that from happening. And in there is your blade and all your adjustments. You do have a cover on the top which can come off if you need to get to your blades. And at the bottom here, there is a, come around to the side, over there, that's to catch all of the notched out pieces. So you've got a bin there that's gonna collect all the notched out pieces so it's not landing on the floor. When it gets full, you remove it and you put it back in. Now, something on this machine, fantastic feature, is on the other side of it, on the back, you also have a punching station. So open that up. So that's on the back of the machine. So not only do you get a notcher, but you also have got a punching station at the back. So it's fantastic. You can notch out the material you want to notch out, and then if it has any holes that you have to punch, you can come around the back, punch holes, and these punches and ours, they are changeable, so you're not just stuck to one size. You can change it to different sizes. And at the bottom here, you've got your hydraulic gauges, and down there is your gauge to see where the oil is. Side of the machine. And that is our 6mm capacity variable angle notcher.